Hello and welcome to CyberHack Daily channel. Today we will learn the foundation of how computers organize and manage everything inside them. This topic is called operating system and file system. If you want to protect computers or detect attacks, you must understand how an operating system manages files, users, and permissions. So, what is operating system? An operating system or OS is the main software that manages your computer. It handles everything from running application to managing memory or allowing you to store your files. It's like the brain and manager of your computer. Without an operating system, your computer wouldn't know how to do anything. For example, when you open Chrome, play a music, or save a document, your operating system is the one actually doing the work in the background. Why operating system matters? This is very important. Hackers spend time learning operating system really well because knowing how they work helps them find weaknesses. So as a cybersecurity learner, you must know where files live, how users or logins work, how permissions are controlled, because attackers often try to exploit exactly these parts. If an attacker gains access to your operating system, they can view or steal files, install malwares, change security settings, create secret users. That means understanding how your operating system works gives you a huge advantage when defending a system. You don't need to be a programmer. Just knowing how files, softwares, and permissions work will help you to protect your device. So, type of operating system. First one, Windows. Windows is everywhere. Office, homes, schools. Most people use Windows. That means attacker loves Windows. More people, more targets. The second one is Linux. On the other hand, is extremely popular for servers, cybersecurity tools, and hacking labs. Tools like Kali Linux, Parrot operating system, and Ubuntu are built on a Linux. So in your career, you will definitely work with a Linux. What is a file system? A file system is a system that tells operating system how to organize and store your data. When you open a folder, that's just a file system helping you navigate information. Every operating system has their own file system, like for a Windows, NTFS, for a Linux, EXT4, and for a Mac operating system, APFS. Each one has its own structure and features, but as a beginner, the main idea is the file system organize and protect data. So, there is different type of users and permissions. First, admin or root user, which has full power. Second one is standard user with limited powers. Most cyber attacks try to increase permissions. Why? Because if a hacker becomes an admin, they can install programs, steal data, or take over the entire system. That's why permissions matter. Every piece of malware, every hacking attempt, every defense strategy involves files, processes, permission. So understanding these basics help you. First, detect malicious files. Second, notice unusual activity. Third, stop unauthorized access. And fourth, keep system update. Okay, now let's review what we learned today. First, the operating system manages all hardware and software. Second, file system organize your data. Third, operating system and file permissions protect your device. And fourth, understanding this basic is essential for cybersecurity. You don't need to remember everything. Just understand how everything works together. In our next lesson, we will start learning the basic of Linux, the most important operating system for the cybersecurity. Please like and subscribe this video.